up, family? Welcome back to Zach's Snacks YouTube channel. And today, as you see down in the description down below, we're going to be making vanilla mini donuts within the comfort of my home, our home, and everybody's home. We're going to make this satisfying to any appetite before we do anything, okay? Let's get to the video! Alright, so before we start cooking, I want you guys to go down in the description down below. There's gotta be a secret. And wish my mom a happy birthday. Her birthday is last Thursday. I just want you guys to go wish her a happy birthday for me. Alright? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, mama. Alright, so let's get to this video. Click on this video to make these donuts, so let's get to it. So first we're going to need our KitchenAid mixer bowl. And we're going to need 2 cups of powdered sugar. This is already 2 cups, so I'm just going to go and pour this in there. 2 cups of powdered sugar. And 2/3 cup of flour. So 1/3, I'm going to need 2/3 cup of flour. Alrighty, we're going to place that back over there, and we're going to mix this on low under our KitchenAid mixer now. About a minute. After about a minute, we're going to add in our butter sticks. So you're going to need 3/4 cup of butter. That's about 1.5 sticks of butter. We're going to place these in there. Make sure it's room temperature. That first one is in. Now I'm going to add our second one. Alright, so after mixing in our butter, now we're going to add our 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're going to add in our 3 eggs. So let that mix in, and then we're going to add in 3 eggs slowly at a time. So we're going to add our first one now. And we're going to add in our second egg. Now we're going to add in our last egg. Last but not least. Now we're going to turn this up just a little bit. And we're going to let that mix in really good for about 2 minutes. Alright guys, so we got about another minute or so to let this mix and get a little bit more smooth. And then we're going to get into our bag. So stay tuned for that one. Alright guys, so now we're going to stop this now. Stop that, lift this up, let all that fall down. Now I'm going to put some Pam into our donut machine. Just put a little Pam in there. Alrighty, now we're going to plug this up, let this start getting hot. Sit this back like that. And now we're going to need our soft spatula again. We're going to knock all of our dough down. Our dough / mix down. Alrighty. We're going to remove it from the KitchenAid mixer. Anything else drops or falls, it's fine. Put a towel on there. Alright. So now that our mix is done, we're going to put it into one of our homemade bags. To help us, it's going to be easier to pour inside of the donut machine. So we cut a little hole in the bottom, and we're going to pour it in there. You can use a glass, could be used any type of cup. This is easier to pour in here and put in here. Then, yeah. So let's get this going. Alright. I'm going to fill this in as much as possible. Alright. So now we're going to take it out of this, and we're going to bring it over here to that, and we're going to fill it in. We don't want to fill it in too much, overfill it. We're going to fill it in just enough. Alright, now we're just filling in the donut holes right now. Try not to overfill it. If you do, try not to overfill it too much. This should be able to fill in all of your donut holes. Don't matter what type of bag you use, that'll be okay. So now we're gonna let this close this up for about 5 to 7 minutes and let them cook. Try not to overcook them because they can burn. Just keep an eye on them. Some machines are different. Some will tell you when they're done at the top, like mine. It tells me green is done. So try not to burn them. Just watch them. So we're gonna let them donuts cook. And that was hot, so I'm gonna remove my hand now. Alright, now so while our donuts is making, we're gonna make our icing. So we're gonna need 1 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, which is already in here, as you can see. And we're gonna need our other cup, put our mixed cup up there. And we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of milk. We're gonna mix this together. We got our whisk right here. We're gonna whisk this together. We're going to check on our donuts. Our donuts are done. So now we're going to get a plate, and we're going to grab our tongs, a fork, just poke at it, and then we're going to grab them out like that. We're going to set them on our plate. We're going to turn off our grill, and now we're going to finish whisking together our icing. Once your icing is all whisked together, you can pour it into your other cup, which I am doing now. Set that up there. And now we're going to ice our donuts. So after you ice your donuts, I like to put whipped cream on my donuts. So I'm going to grab my whipped cream on the outside sometimes. Alright, and then add some sprinkles. I'm going to sprinkle around my sprinkles. Alright, while I'm sprinkling this, I want you guys to help me sing happy birthday to my mom. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mama. Happy birthday to you. Alright guys, down below you can say happy birthday Miss Elston down in the comments down below. Thank you guys for that. Now, we are done and we are ready to eat. So, you can do whatever you want to it. You don't have to put icing on your donuts. Most people do, some don't. Whipped cream, sprinkles, all this stuff is optional. If you just want a donut, get yourself a donut. Because you do what you want to do, okay? Alright. Now everybody, you have a good day. You have a good night. You have a good weekend. Whatever time you're watching this, thank you, okay? I want to thank all my subscribers so far. I really appreciate you guys. Go down below, like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. Alright? I hope to see you in the next one. Stay tuned, because next week I have a special with my mama. Okay, so next week stay tuned for that video. Peace.